Today I'm going to show you what a vining tomato plant is. You will probably hear people talk about indeterminate vining tomatoes and what you can do with them. So I'm going to show you exactly what one is. I have here a chocolate cherry tomato plant, and I actually have it vining up my arch right here. So I'm going to show you what it looks like up close and how I'm tying the plant onto the arch. So the top of my arch is 9 feet tall. So I'm going to assume the plant is about maybe 9.5 feet tall, only because of the container here. It's kind of curved. So this is a chocolate cherry tomato indeterminate variety that is a vining tomato plant. So I have trimmed off all the suckers, just one main stem, so it's easier to just vine it on top. It is a very thin stem, so it's really convenient, it's really easy. I initially did not know it was going to get this tall. I had it up against my fence, which is 6 feet tall, but once I realized that it was just growing, I decided just to bring the container here and then just string it up all the way across. And so far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clusters of tomatoes. So I'm gonna see how well it does by pruning all of the suckers and keeping it just one main stem. I'll show you a close-up of what the cluster of tomatoes look like right now. They are not ripening yet, they're still green, but I will show you to see what it looks like on the chocolate cherry tomatoes.